Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through step-by-step process on how to fix slow download speeds in Windows 11. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. You can also press the Window key plus I to quickly open the Settings window. Then, click on Network and Internet in the left sidebar. This section allows you to manage all your network settings. Next, click on Wi-Fi to access your wireless network settings. After that, click on CyberNet properties under your current network to access more advanced settings. Now, find the Mattered Connection option and turn it off. These settings can limit your download speed to save data, so turn it off can improve your download speed. Go back and open the Data Usage Overview by clicking the Data Usage sections. Here, you can see how much data your computer is using and if any background apps are consuming excessive data. Click on Data Usage and scroll down to check if there are any applications consuming excessive bandwidth that could be slowing down your connection. If necessary, close those apps or adjust their settings. Then go back to the Control Panel by typing Control Panel in the Start menu search bar and selecting it. Click on Network and Sharing Center in the Control Panel. This is where you can manage your network connections. Next, click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings in the left sidebar. This will allow you to control how your PC shares its network connection. Then, click on Change Adapter Settings to see all your network connections, both wired and wireless. Now, right-click on your active network connections, the one you're currently using, and select Properties. Scroll down in the list and select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Then, click on Properties, select the option Use the following DNS server addresses. By manually setting DNS servers, you can improve your internet speed. Now, in the Prevert DNS servers field, type 8 4 times. This is Google's DNS servers for faster and more reliable browsing. Finally, click OK to apply the changes. Once done, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.